So Eureka Math, let's go deeper into understanding the Eureka Math. The Eureka Math curriculum is laid out per grade level. These are divided based on the standards. Each grade level has about 6 to 8 modules, and these modules are further divided into topics, and topics lead into the lessons. These lessons either take one day, one session, or they sometimes take 2 sessions. So essentially, they are grades, modules, and then lessons. Let's zoom in on the lessons and look at the different components of the lessons. As I told you before, there are 4 different components of the lesson: fluency practice, application, concept, and student debrief. If you look at the pie chart, it shows you that how much time is devoted for each of these concepts. Now, first, let's zoom in on the first concept. The first component of the lesson, which is the fluency practice. Why do we need fluency? Why do we need to teach our kids fluency? Anybody? Yes.
To enable the children to be more confident when they have to work independently.
Anyone else? Yes.
So they can be able to focus their energy when problem solving comes around. They will know their basic facts really good, and they don't have to waste energy on that. But
Bingo. Because if fluency is important so that the students get daily practice and have gain confidence in the concepts which were taught earlier, or to be faster and quickly be able to solve problems. There are 4 different kinds of fluency that are introduced in Eureka Math. They are sprints, counting exercises, choral response, and whiteboard responses. Moving forward, this is an example. Here are the examples of sprints. They are usually A and B sprints, and students do both on the same day so that they see an improvement as to how they performed. Next, application problem, which is the second component. About 5 to 8 minutes are devoted to this concept, and it is primarily a review of either previous day's lesson, or it is kind of a precursor to today's lesson also. The third important component of this is the concept development. I cannot tell you, if you look at this pie chart, guess how much time is devoted on concept development? A major chunk of time. This is the meat of the lesson. Here, most of the teaching is happening where you are introducing today's lesson and you are helping them understand what they have to learn today. If you look at it, most of the time, about 30 to 33 minutes are devoted to this concept. Part of concept development is also the application, the problem set. Problem set, AKA, it's the independent work. We used to call that independent work. They're calling it a problem set. About 10 minutes of this 33 minutes are devoted to problem set, where students are independently working on the problems. And that is the time where you can pull the students into small group, the struggling students, and help them, give them one-on-one instruction so that they understand and they get the need that they really need it. Homework looks exactly like the problem set. The concept is similar and the layout is also very similar. So if the parents want to see what happened in the classroom, they have an option to do that. Last but not the least is the student debrief, my favorite. Why? Because this is the time when the teachers are reviewing the vocabulary used in this lesson, and also they are bringing out the why aspect of it. Why did you use these strategies to answer this problem? And also bring out the higher order thinking question. And a script is already given to you in the manual with the help of which you can go over the questions, have a higher order thinking questions with them. And last, we give them exit ticket, which is part of the student debrief. Exit ticket how the students work on it independently, and this gives the teachers an idea. It gives an instant data to the teachers as to whether the students got this lesson or how they did not, and how to plan the lesson tomorrow for the teachers. These are sample problem set that looks like, problem sets look like these. Then you have, this is your exit ticket, and if you look at it, the homework looks exactly like how the problem set looked at it.